Ki Pulit ke Shillong Traffic kila yok Dain kuna haduh khat lai pusan hajar na kishi hajar nyau spa tylli ki kali ki bala syabat bagi ta'yid yong Nongbah Shillong. Haba pyntip ya kini hakasni Thohdieng Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills ba Sylvester Nongtnger ula Ki Pulit ke Shillong Traffic kila syum ya kini kesenjam ban pyntreikam ya hukum jong ke Iingkashari Supreme Court.
Therefore, in order to uphold the direction of the apex court, the Shillong Traffic Police has been conducting vigorously checking against the use of black flames and thus detected 1,788 cases and realized the amount of 13,35,000. This is with effect from 1st July till the 6th of September, that is today.
Ula pyntip ru bana kishi hajar nyau spa tylli ki kali bayo bat lai tylli ki digi kali sarkar. Hukum ke jingong jong ke Iingkashari Supreme Court ha ke hukum halor ke mukaddama baka bishar kalamana ban ta'yid yong compare ya ke jingong ishapo jong ke kali ni ke visual light transmission lagari ha ki safety glass windscreen ban khmat bat nadin lembat ki yid yong jong ki jingkhang. Hindre ula pensyaipat batang ki menteri sarkar ni MLA ki la ban ta'yid yong kataru tangkawi ke kali ambaro.
And realized the amount of 13,35,000. This is with effect from 1st July till the 6th of September, that is today. Furthermore, the black flames of such detected vehicles were removed following the fine imposed upon them. In the light of the above, the Shillong Traffic Police would like to appeal to all the vehicles owners to refrain from using the black flames on the safety glasses, windscreens and side glasses of their vehicles, and if so, to kindly remove the same. The drive against the use of black flames, including other MB Act violations, shall continue and stringent actions will be taken against the violators. So our teams is working very hard every day under the leadership of our SP Traffic, his additional SP, DYSP and all his in charge of Shillong Traffic.